Concepcion come together in a project titled Against All Odds.
I'm grateful. I'm really grateful na finally, eto na, matutuloy na. Napaka-positive nung dating, nung energy.
I got a call. For some reason, talagang hindi ko siya I was just too happy to be part of it. Kanina, nung mata ka na si Ate Juday, hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko. Talagang, ate ko talaga siya. And wala, natuwa ako nung nakita ko siya. I never thought talaga na mangyayari.
The stars of the newest soap met up for the story conference last Wednesday. Judy and Sam and Casey all came from a long break from doing soaps, and excited would be the best word to describe what they feel.
This is my first soap in 4 years or 3 years. Kung hindi ako yung nilagay sa role na yun, malamang panonoorin ko at everyday ng buhay ko isipin ko sana ako yun.
Siyempre matagal kang napahinga sa mahaba ang taping, hindi ba? And at the same time, iba na rin kasi yung takbo ng mga televiewers. Pero what's nice kasi with this group now is parang matapang lahat. Masustansya masyado yung teleserye. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Sana mapagwagian na.
This is Juday's first time to work with Sam and Casey.
Ito naman first time namin together and to be working with the queen of teleserye, this is definitely a highlight sa career ko.
Hindi na ganun siya siguro magkakaroon ng difficulty sa pakikisama kasi we're friends naman eh. And with Sam, marunong naman na magtagalog. So, wala masyadong hirap. Tawid naman.
The teleserye queen is back on the screen, but she admits that her working habits are different now compared to before. As a mom and wife, she admits her family is her top priority.
Yun naman ang una ko talagang apprehension bago tumanggap ng series is yung fact na baka mawalan ako ng time sa mga bagets. Pero napaka-understanding naman yung buong unit. Very accommodating naman sila sa mga requests ko. Pero syempre, it's a give and take relationship as well na may mga pagkakataon na mga ganitong cut-off, may mga pagkakataon na kailangan ganito, ganyan. It's always been like that with me naman. Walang hindi napapag-usapan.
As for the demands of her role, one of which is to stay fit, her husband Ryan Agoncillo gives his full support.
Magbago akong trainer ngayon na naghahanda sa akin ngayon para maging fit for this soap. Ang pangalan niya ay isang trainer Ryan Agoncillo. Yes. Ano siya, very matyaga. Maaga kaming nagigising kasi sayang naman yung oras na hindi man lang kami makapagtanggal ng konting fats involved sa sistema namin. So, it's a good bonding then for the two of us.
After the launch of Precious Hearts Romances presents